The mother bear adopted the kitten. They both live happily together. The hunters returned to capture wild animals, once more for illegal sale.
Help me!
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm
The
running.
white muzzlecat is angry at those who killed his father.
Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take it for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to whack 'em.